Hello, my name is Van Smith, managing partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about keeping your low interest rate even if you're going through a divorce. I had lunch with a mortgage broker this week, and he shared this interesting concept that I think might benefit some of you as you're thinking through options. It's a very common situation. We have a low interest rate from when the interest rates were low. Now we're going through a divorce. Is there any way we can preserve that low interest rate? And of course, there are options if you're in a relatively low conflict, high trust relationship, albeit now going through separation and divorce. And so there are many reasons for this. For instance, the departing spouse may want to see the remaining spouse stay in the home for the benefit of the children, their friends, finish out school in that school district, and preserve the low interest rate that enhances the financial well-being of the family as a whole, even if there's no longer a marriage. And so there can be a home equity line of credit, or HELOC, secured on the home that then pays out the departing spouse. Now, of course, that departing spouse is still on the mortgage note. And so there would be in the agreement, as an example, a penalty paid to that spouse of an additional 10% of the equity of the remaining spouse's share, paid to the departing spouse if the remaining spouse defaults on a monthly payment. And then, for instance, and these terms can vary, but if the default continues for 3 months or more, it would trigger a sale so that the departing spouse's name comes off the mortgage note. Okay, so that was a lot to unpack there, but here's the big idea. Don't assume, just because you're getting a divorce, that we can't keep the remaining spouse in the home with that low interest rate. Now, situations vary, facts vary, and we have to make sure first that they can financially afford it, things like that. But of course, if certain things align, that could be an option that you may not otherwise think about. So we wanted to make a video today and pass that idea on. Don't forget, I've written a book called The Ultimate Guide to Divorce and Custody in Virginia. It's a free download on our website, which you can read then on your smart device, and it can also be read to you audibly. Also, if you just prefer the paper copy, we can mail you a hard copy of my book, The Ultimate Guide to Divorce and Custody in Virginia. You can simply download that on our website, or if you're not on our website now, on social media, for instance, you can go to smithstrongbook.com, and secure that free e or hard copy, your preference. Thank you.